Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 8 of the holiday vlogs and I'm so excited today. Today I have so much planned and I can't wait to spend the day with you guys. Right now we are planning to go to the mall and get something. You guys will see it once it's here and I'll do an unboxing. Also, today evening we have a family dinner planned. I am going for a dinner with my cousins. So that is what is there and I'm very excited about that too. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Today morning I edited my video and I was done by 12, so I'm very happy about that. Now I'm going to go eat my lunch and after lunch we'll head out. Okay guys, we had come to the mall today and we got what I'd been wanting to buy for a really long time. I got an iPad and now Mama and we are sitting in Bajra's local cafe. Mama got a latte for herself and we ordered peri-peri fries. We also wanted spaghetti, but then they said that spaghetti will take really long time. That's what I've been up to. And yeah, now I'll be going back home in a bit. That's pretty much what I've been up to today. Guys, our peri-peri fries, it's here. And Mama wants more spice. Wait, let me... This is very spicy. Very nice and spicy. Hi guys, I'm finally back home and then I got two things today. One is a new Christmas socks from Mumma. This is my second Christmas socks. The other one that I have is a reindeer. This I purchased it 2-3 years back. Now I have a new one. Also guys, we went to Mumma and Mumma had such cute Christmas things. I got a new iPad. Now I can edit here and work on my laptop. So that is what I was really excited about. Let's open it. This iPad is blue in color. Okay. I don't need the charger. Now let's open my iPad. It's blue in color. They do not have the white one. Let's turn it on. I do not know. So quickly my phone just got connected to the iPad. This all just happened really quickly. I was supposed to buy the Apple Pencil, but then they do not have it in stock. So I'm just planning to... There's this random stylus lying in my house. So I'll just be using this for now. I am not really leaning towards an Apple Pencil for some reason. I think I'm going to buy... Okay, it's apparently called Spigen. So I'm thinking of getting a Spigen stylus. Let me get back to setting up my iPad. Now it says welcome to...
Something went wrong.
iPad. I think I'm done setting up. Oh. Yes, I am done setting up. Let's download Procreate and get rid of whatever's unnecessary, and also DaVinci Resolve. Those two are my top applications. Finally, I'm getting Procreate. I'm so excited about it. Done. For the longest time, I was against getting Procreate. I was like, oh, Adobe will be able to do all of my work and I'll do all of my work on Adobe. But now, this just feels like such a necessity. Also, I should change my wallpaper. I want to keep something pink. Either pink or I like the moon one. Oh, a moon one with like a yellow color. Just the way my date is here. Which one do you guys like better? Let me know. Okay, guys, so for now, I'm going to put my wallpaper as a moon. But let me know which one do you like better. This is Mercury, Venus, move, Earth, and then moon. Where are the other planets, guys? Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Oh, the solar system. I don't like the solar system. I'm sticking to the moon for now. Let me know if you guys liked anything better. Okay, this is how it looks. This and then this. I have to go out for this family dinner. I don't know how much will I be able to shoot because it'll get weird and awkward. Oh my god, I just saw iMovies. I used to use iMovies all the time before I started editing like properly. I was such an iMovies fan. I was like through and through iMovies girly. But no more, because iMovie is very limited. iMovie is like really limited on laptop as well as on iPad. Also, I love my socks. It's so cute. This makes me so happy. Guys, if you guys ever want to gift me anything, especially during the winter time, you guys should get me an advent calendar, because I have wanted an advent calendar for so long. First and foremost is an advent calendar. If not an advent calendar, you know what you should get me? You should get me like Christmas socks. It's so cute. So that is that. Bye for now. I'm going to figure out a few things for my iPad. Hi guys, I am back from my dinner. I'd gone out for dinner with my cousins and family, so I could not shoot and talk much. But I'll tell you guys everything that we ate. We first started with peri-peri fries. And then I ordered a hot chocolate for myself. Oh, actually I wanted to order a hot chocolate, but then they had coffee. And then they got regular steamed veg momo. And then my cousins ate chicken momo. I think it was chili chicken momo or fried chicken momo, one of those. And then we ordered for thuppa. We ordered 2 stew for thuppa. After that, we also got veg and non-veg whole momo. Then, after all of this, my cousin again ordered for 2 plates of veg steam momo, out of which only one we could share and eat, and one had to be packed and taken home. Overall, it was a very fun time and fun bonding session with my family, and I enjoyed it a lot. I'm supposed to go to bed early today because tomorrow we start with the monastery visit. I'm extremely excited about it. The only drawback is the fact that I have to wake up early, but then I'll do it. It's okay, not a big deal. But in order for me to wake up early, I need to sleep early. It's 8:51 right now. I really want to figure out a few things on my iPad, but I also need to edit because tomorrow I'll leave at 7 and be back by 12 or 1. So I need to edit my video and get done with it tonight itself. So maybe I'll just start editing my video, do this iPad thing tomorrow. I think that is the wisest choice and option, to pick because it's already 9 right now. So I'll close up the vlog right now, and yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I love you guys very much. I hope you guys had fun today, and stay tuned for the next holiday vlog which is going to come tomorrow.